Welcome to using SACS e-resources. Today, we will focus on the World Book Encyclopedia database. The purpose of this lesson is for high school SACS students to proficiently use the World Book Encyclopedia database for research. By the end, students should be able to locate the World Book Encyclopedia database on SACS Library webpage, distinguish relevant search results, and utilize advanced search features. The first step is to go to www.edline.net/pages/SACS. Once on that webpage, look to the right side. There will be a section titled Content, which houses groups of links and folders. Find a link titled High School, Middle School, Library and click on it. This link will bring you to the SACS Library main webpage. While there are many helpful links on this page, today we are focusing on the World Book Encyclopedia database. Again, look on the right side in a section titled Links. There you will find the World Book Encyclopedia database link. Click on that link. The username is SACS, S-A-C-S, all in lowercase, and the password is LIONS, L-I-O-N-S, also all in lowercase. Go ahead and enter into the site. Once you have logged onto the database, you will see a screen showing several levels and language selections. For high school SACS students, choose the Advanced option. A search screen will appear with rotating featured articles as the background image. Type in any keyword into the search box. Let's try Hawaii. Now several results appear. First, let's explore the article. Many of these articles can be long, so I recommend using the table of contents icon accessible through this button here. As you can see, they have people, visitor's guide, land and climate, economy, government, and history, all in easy to access buttons. Another great option is the gear icon right next to it, which provides several tools. The Citation Tool generates the article citations in several formats. All you have to do is copy and paste. Another great tool is the Share tool. This allows you to email the article to yourself or maybe even a partner. The other search results are photos, maps, video, and audio. Here we can even listen to a traditional Hawaiian farewell song and President Roosevelt's response to the Pearl Harbor attack. Let's try the song now. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go to Hawaii. What a great resource that Google wouldn't know to even bring up. Now let's try the advanced search. So go back to your search results and then select advanced search. The first tab brings up selections you can choose by timeline, or you can check specific content. You can also browse by the type of information you want. Let's try that. For example, if you are looking for a sound for an English project about Macbeth, you can search for sound clips here. Then you're going to search under M for Macbeth, and finally MA to MI. And look, Macbeth appears, and then you can listen to a vivid soliloquy about King Duncan. But we'll leave Shakespeare alone for now. We can go back to our advanced search results, and it will... For a narrower search, you can try the Boolean Search, which allows you to limit your search parameters. A final conglomeration of tools can be found in the Take Me To menu. Some helpful tools are the Citation Builder, Timelines, World Newspaper, and so many more. All right, let's go back to the home screen and let's see what you learned. What if you were doing a report on ancient Rome and you need to include maps? How would you efficiently find these maps? Go ahead and pause the video and try for yourself. I will demonstrate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's begin. First, you're going to type in Rome. Hit enter. And then you have several options from this point. You can select the article Ancient Rome, and once it brings up the results, you can select the images, video, and audio, which contains maps, and there are your ancient Roman maps. Or we can go back to our search results, and do a more direct search using the Advanced Search tools. So go to the Advanced Search option, and down here at the bottom we can look for specific content. Since we're only looking for maps, uncheck all, select historical maps, and type in Rome. We're going to hit enter. And then by doing this very specific search, it brought us straight to our historical maps. These are the results you should get. It was quick and specific rather than spending twice as much time on Google not knowing if the information was reliable. Presentation and image capturing and editing were done by Alicia Moore. This presentation was created using PowerPoint software. Access to World Book Encyclopedia was granted by San Antonio Christian School. Thank you for listening.